Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete duplicate contact on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete all your duplicate contacts on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the contact app. Then you should see the number of duplicate contacts you have here. So this is going to be pulled out automatically by your Samsung phone. Now, once you have access to all the duplicate contacts, to delete them, all you simply need to do is go ahead and click on merge. And then you should see all the duplicate contacts like this. Now click on select all, click on merge beneath and hang on. And then you should see all duplicate contacts merged. That's going to delete all your duplicate contacts and merge them to a single contact on your Samsung phone. And that's it. So that's exactly how to delete duplicate contact on your Samsung phone. This is not going to directly delete the duplicate contact. Instead, it's going to merge them to a single contact and remove any contact that is more than one with the same name and the same phone number on your Samsung phone. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.